all 10 viewers, you coming here in a live. Thank you very much also. Please like our live and double touch your screen guys to like our live. Or there's a three dots, click there and there's a like there. Thank you 9 viewers. Mega love shout out. You go in Cavern. What is Cavern? Do you go? Not yet. I'm done. I will not go there. I don't know where's Cavern. What place there? I don't know. I will know. Here in the Philippines also I will go. Other country only Malaysia will visit. I will visit. One only, but here in the Philippines always visit beautiful places here. What I come back. Okay. Thank you, Nate. Thank you for 10 viewers. Mega love shout out. Guys, thank you, 10 viewers for coming to my live. And also thank you for support my live because it's for me it's for helping ours and also support our life. Thank you guys. It's appreciated. Google Translate. Yes. Hello, Ma'am Joper. Good morning. Dublin, Doria. Tamsak lang. Thank you sa patamsak, Ma'am Joper. Good morning. Mega love shout out sa'yo, Ma'am Joper. si Ma'am Perla. Wait. Wait a second, guys. Wait lang. Hey viewers, mega love chat. Thank you for punta mo kagabi nakatulog. Hindi, kanina po ako nakapunta. Madaling araw na. Maaga din ako nakatulog. Maaga din po ako nakatulog kanina. Kaya, kagabi pala. Tapos kanina nakita ko kayo. 5 o'clock is gising na ako, Ma'am Joper. Kasi, pupunta yung asawa ko sa work. Kaya maaga ako gumising. Kaya napuntahan ko yung live ko. Nag-scroll ako. Kaya nakita ko lahat na nang-scroll ko kanina. Napuntahan ko siya. Lahat na nagpunta sa sa live ko napuntahan ko kanina umaga. Maaga kami nagising. Thank you, Ma'am Jopper also. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning guys, good morning. Mega love shout out. Thank you po, Ma'am Jopper, sa pagsuporta. Ayan. Thank you, 11 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. 11 viewers, mega love shout out. See ya. Sushi. Stay. Lay down. Stay. 10 viewers, mega love shout out. Saki. Yan. 10 viewers, mega love shout out. Lay down, guys. Yan. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning guys. Thank you. 13 viewers, please like our live. Like and share our live guys. Thank you. Thank you all guys. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.